Ordering AOS cabinets. In the previous video, we created an AOS Wizard profile where we configured your doors and drawer fronts. Now we are ready to start entering your AOS cabinets. As you can see, there are several types of cabinets to choose from. We will start with a base cabinet. Please note that all prices shown in this video are for presentation only and do not reflect actual AOS cabinet costs. You begin by choosing the type of base cabinet you want. In this example, we will choose a base cabinet with 2 doors and 1 drawer. Then enter your cabinet dimensions that can be customized up to 1/16 of an inch. Notice how the estimated price will change as you modify your configuration. If integrated finishing options are available for your configuration, you will be able to make further changes as needed. The Setup tab contains various default overrides that can be set if desired. You can add a custom reveal and valance height, implement your custom door option or remove your fronts, and even customize your cabinet material assembly type. Make sure to save your cabinet configuration when you are finished. Your cabinet has now been added to your estimate. Next, we will enter a wall cabinet. We will start with a wall cabinet with 1 door, hinge right. Again, enter your cabinet dimensions. On this one, we will also add a finished right side. Save your configuration when you are finished. You now have a base and an upper cabinet in your estimate. Let's add another wall cabinet. This time, we will choose a wall cabinet with 2 doors. After entering our cabinet dimensions, we want to make sure our mullion doors go with this cabinet, so we will go down to the Setup tab. Here, we've changed the primary upper doors from default to Specialty Door preset. If no other changes are needed, you will save your configuration. You now have a 3rd cabinet in your estimate. Please note that the estimate will change based on what AOS Wizard profile you are using. Here we will show how changing your AOS Wizard profile to a different vinyl color will affect your cabinet price. In this example, we will change your base cabinet doors configuration to a different vinyl color. We also need to change the matching back color, and when we're done, we save the changes. At first, you don't see any difference in your estimate. In order for the change to show, you will need to edit your cabinet box. Notice how the new price shown in your configurator is different. After you save, you will see the updated price showing in your estimate. Please note that if you want to apply a change to all of your AOS cabinets instead of just one, you need to save your AOS Wizard profile as well. Watch the next video to see how you can switch your AOS cabinet profiles.